You have a problem. Every time you share a win, someone uses it against you, and every time you reveal a plan, it gets sabotaged. This video gives you the 3 laws to shut that down permanently. You are operating with a biological flaw because your brain craves the dopamine hit of social validation the moment you achieve a milestone. You want to share the victory, post the update, and see the likes roll in, but this is merely a survival instinct from a time when the tribe needed to know your status to protect you. In a landscape where attention is the only currency, that instinct has become a liability. You mistake their reaction for simple jealousy, but it is far more dangerous than that. It is data collection. Every time you disclose a win or a plan, you give a hostile actor the exact data they need to build a counter strategy. Whether it's a competitor, a jealous friend, or a threatened peer, you are flying with your transponder on and broadcasting your exact position to every threat in range. The solution is not humility. The solution is operational security. You are not hiding because you are weak. You are hiding because you are strategic. Silence is your shield. You finally land a promotion, close a deal, or hit a major milestone. Your thumb hovers over the keyboard because you want to tell your group chat and announce it to the world. You must stop. You feel the pressure to externalize a win to make it feel real, seeking external applause to confirm your value. But here's the law. Do not announce the win. Let the results of the win announce themselves. If you get the promotion, do not tell anyone and let them notice the new title appear passively weeks later. If you land a client, do not post a contract. Instead, let them see your schedule filling up. The execution is rigorous and simple. When asked, you give them nothing. Your script is, things are moving, and I'll let you know when it's solid. That is the only sentence you need. With no excitement in your voice and no smile on your face, you must become a vault. When they push for details, let the silence fill the room. And do not fill that silence with explanations. This worked because of the scarcity heuristic, as the human brain assigns higher value to information that is withheld. More importantly, you remove the social trigger for envy. Envy requires a target, and if they don't know you have the advantage, they can't aim. This is the higher level. When you have a plan, a business move, or a bold new strategy, you might feel excited and want to workshop it with your inner circle. But this is exactly where you lose the momentum. You are treating a strategy session like a therapy session. You share the plan in its fragile stage, and the people around you, even those who love and support you, respond with concern. They list the risks, point out the flaws, and project their own fear onto your ambition. Within 24 hours, your conviction is gone because you have talked yourself out of your own future. The law is this: never share the blueprint before the foundation is poured. Do not discuss the plan until the plan is irreversible. Execution requires a complete shift in identity where you must become comfortable being the only one who knows the destination. When they ask what you are working on, do not confess. Your script is, I'm in a research phase. That is the boundary. This is called information fencing. You are building a fence around your intellectual property, not by lying, but by refusing to give them access to your strategic interior. Ask yourself now, how many of your best ideas died in the mouth of a concerned friend before they ever had a chance to breathe? The silence you maintain now is the price of admission to the life you want. When the plan is executed and undeniable, they will be forced to adjust to your reality rather than you adjusting to their fears. Silence keeps the virus of doubt out of your operating system. Once you have already succeeded, the money is in the account, the deal is signed, or the transformation is complete, you face the most dangerous phase. You find yourself in a room with people who remember the old version of you and are comfortable with that version. When they see the new you, the pressure builds and they want to know how you did it. This is a trap where they extract your formula to either copy it, criticize it, or use it to feel better about their own stagnation. The law is clear. Your success is a private matter, and you do not owe anyone your methodology. You must learn to reflect the question without answering it. When they ask how you did it, do not give them the timeline, the investment, or the sacrifice. Your script is, it was a lot of boring work. You wouldn't be interested. Say this with a slight, knowing smile. You are not being rude. You are being dismissive of your own effort in a way that closes a door. If they persist, you redirect by saying, let's talk about what you're working on. You flip the focus, make them the subject, and vanish into the role of the listener. Your posture must be open but neutral, shoulders back. No leaning in. You are a pleasant, unassailable wall. This is asymmetric strategy. When you refuse to give a tactical breakdown of your win, you maintain the advantage. They cannot replicate your success if they don't know the ingredients. You are the infrastructure, essential, immovable, and entirely overlooked until the moment of impact. You have been operating with your life on display, treating every victory like a press release, and wondering why the same people who smiled at you were the ones throwing the rocks. That ends now. You are no longer a performer seeking applause. You are a strategist building a fortress. Your wins are not for consumption, they are for compounding. Your plans are not for discussion, they are for execution. From this moment forward, operate with the discipline of a ghost. Let them see the results, but never the process. Let them wonder, but never confirm. If you want to access the next tier of strategic control, hit subscribe. This is the end of your amateur phase. Now, go apply the silence.